I took a lot of LSD as a young man, a lot. It was a new thing, it was a scary thing at the time. You know, television and magazines were filled with lurid warnings of what might happen. From the very beginning, it was a very, very, very positive experience for me. You know, I don't know that, my third eye opened or I became part of some cosmic unifying theory, nothing like that. It gave me an ability to understand that there are other angles to look at things. Opened me up to the possibility of alternate perspectives. It was helpful to me creatively and in some ways inspiring to me. It is a full-on mind and body, a sensory, visual, audio-visual experience. I didn't come out of it thinking, wow, I've really changed my philosophy. I just think it made me more open-minded, a willingness and even an eagerness to step into other people's shoes, to look at the world from perspectives other than the ones that I was raised with. That said, I've really never felt the urge to do it again. I feel I kind of learned what I had to learn, and beyond that, it becomes more of a masturbatory experience rather than an enlightening one. I think that it's a drug with a lot of positive things to be explored and a lot to be said for it. I would recommend that if you are mentally healthy, it is generally agreed upon that you are of sound mind and body with, I think, a good self-image and a sense of self-worth. You don't have a family history of schizophrenia or manic depression. I would be open to be careful, probably supervised use or experimentation with LSD. I always found it useful to be around somebody with previous experience when doing it, in an environment that you feel safe and controllable. It's someplace even safer to go to hide if you start to feel uncomfortable or paranoid or experience a negative reaction. And I always kept a big fistful of antipsychotic drugs around just in case. So it's nice to have some Thorazine kicking around just in case things go bad.